What's up, guys? I got back from the pool and I just remembered we got these ice cream popsicles with like little bits of almond in them from Costco. Yes, they are so good. Before I jump in the shower, change my clothes. Oh my gosh, I was watching shorts and started subscribing to Abby's mom. I forgot all the different channel names, but if you guys have seen Love on the Spectrum, you know what I'm talking about. Abby's my favorite. So maybe I will tag her and shout out on here. And I just watched like the first episode. I didn't even get to the second episode yet, but I hear that season 2 is the best, so I need to kind of like speed it up, but I'm already obsessed. They're just the sweetest, like her and her boyfriend, or maybe they're engaged now. I have no idea what's going on. I haven't like continued, but I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's basically people on the autism spectrum somewhere, and I just love it. Like, I've got the ADHD thing going. Who knows? I might be borderline autistic. I really don't know. But, who knows? Because a lot of times you have both. Whatevs. But, and I masked it for a long time. I was talking to one of my sister's friends the other day, and she has it, but she's never, like, got diagnosed or treated. She's like, I definitely have it. ADHD. And we were talking about that, and little tangent here about that. And it's like, I'm embracing my tangents and stuff, but I always masked it growing up, which it masked my anxiety. I really held everything in, and now I'm just like, letting it all hang out. Not just my bathing suit. I'm letting my personality hang out, my quirks, my imperfections, all these things that I probably would have tried to cover up before, which is awesome and part of the healing journey and the experience. But if you guys have not seen Love on the Spectrum, check it out. Just totally sweet and wholesome. You know, like people say, I don't know, just the dating pool now, and like how people treat love and marriage, and like, what do they call it? Hookup culture, and this and that, and just how everything's taken a nosedive, and just how rough it is out there. And I'm like, if you feel that way or have experienced that at all, I have a little bit, a little bit. Get on there, check out Love on the Spectrum. It will renew and just resurrect your hope for love and just innocence and positivity and hope and all of these things. Like, seriously, there's someone out there for everyone, and you can always, you know, baptize yourself using religious words. Baptize yourself in some hope, purity, love. Just purify yourself, come out of whatever has been ailing you, and just embrace a new life, a new love, a new you, all that good stuff. You know what I mean? So, I'm melting. I better go. But that's reminding me, I'm gonna watch the next episode today so I can get on the bandwagon for that. Check it out. Love on the Spectrum.